All right, guys, we're going to do perimeter today. All right, so if you have a look there on the screen, perimeter is the distance around something. All right, it's measuring the distance around an object or whatever it is. Okay, so I could ask you to go and measure the distance around the playground, and then you would get a trundle wheel or something like that, and walk on the edge of the playground and count the meters. And you would measure it in meters because it's a large distance, not a small distance. And you would go all around the playground and you would measure the distance around, and we would call that perimeter. All right, there's this a shot of the playground in case you've forgotten what your old playground looks like. Just some memories for you, but let's go back to the board. All right, so when you're working in your books, you will get objects or shapes like this, and you'll be asked what is the perimeter around that particular object. So if you have a look at this triangle, okay, it gives you the measurement already. So you've got 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. All right, and in order to work out the perimeter, you would merely just add those amounts together. 4 plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, that comes to 11 centimeters altogether. All right, so the perimeter of that triangle will be 11 centimeters. All right, if you are asked, if you are given something like this, they give you a rectangle, all right, but they only give you 2 measurements, okay? That shouldn't be a problem because we know that in a rectangle, that side is equal in length to that side. All right, so if they're telling you that's 5 centimeters, you will know automatically that that side will also be 5 centimeters. And that side of the rectangle is equal in length to that side of the rectangle. So if they're telling you that's 3 centimeters, you know that that's also going to be 3 centimeters. All right, and then the perimeter of this shape will be 5 plus 5, all right, which is 10 already, and another 3, 13, another 3 is 16 centimeters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 16 centimeters. All right, and a square, look at the square, they've only given you 1 measurement, okay, 5 centimeters. So what do we know about a square? All the sides of a square are the same size, okay? So if they say that size, side is 5 centimeters, we know that all of them are going to be 5 centimeters as well. All right, so it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. All right, this perimeter will come to 20 centimeters. Okay, if you are given a shape, all right, and you don't know, if they haven't given you any clues as to what the measurements are, all right, you will just have to take your ruler and measure around, okay? And then you will figure out your own measurements by measuring with your ruler. All right, remember when we measure with a ruler, all right, we put it on 0 or centimeters, okay, where it starts, okay? We don't measure something like that. We put it on 0 and we measure. All right, so guys, you've got a worksheet, okay? This is the worksheet for perimeter that you're going to do. I have given it to you. Please cut it out and stick it in your book, like here, okay? You can highlight the headings, okay? And then I want to see a date and a heading, a date and a heading. All right, so our heading there is perimeter, and our date today is the 7th. We're going to write a maths date. All right, so it's the 7th of May, all right, 2020. So you're going to do a nice date and heading in your books, all right, and you're going to stick it in, okay, and you're going to measure with your ruler the perimeter of these given shapes here. All right, and then I've also, I think I might have, if I haven't given you this handout, I will give it to you to put into your magical mats. But this is just another reminder on what perimeter is all about.